Some netball news now. World number one goal shooter and Argentina Sports Foundation and National Sportswoman of the Year nominee Johaniele Fowler will be back to lead the Sunshine Girls in their three-test series against the England Roses starting on January 11 at the O2 Arena. Fowler, who missed Jamaica's Fast Five series in New Zealand last month, will lead a 14-member squad for the trip to the United Kingdom. The squad also sees a return for Shanice Beckford, Khadijah Williams and Nicole Dixon-Rochester, who have not played since Jamaica's silver medal finish at the Commonwealth Games. Experienced defender Malisha Kelly makes a return, while top-rated defender Shamara Sterling is missing from the squad. The rest of the squad has Teresa Beckford, Katie Dehaney, Roxana McLean, Jodianne Ward, Tafia Hunter, Crystal Plummer, Abigail Sutherland, Shimona Nelson and Rebecca Robinson. The Jamaicans take on the world number 3 England on January 11, 14 and 15.